our after-school snack series. Today, we will be making delicious banana chocolate bites. This is the perfect sweet snack for after school.
After school!
So stay tuned to learn this super easy recipe with us.
You will only need 3 ingredients. 3 bananas, 1 slab of chocolate, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can make this yummy after-school snack in 4 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Slice the bananas into medium-sized pieces. Did you know that bananas have high nutritional value and are a healthy snack? Step 2. Place the sliced bananas on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now freeze for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Break the chocolate into smaller pieces. Then melt in the microwave. Now stir in the coconut oil. Chocolate is made from beans from the cocoa tree. Step 4. Now coat the banana slices with the melted chocolate and place them back on the baking tray. Chocolate makes everything better. Freeze for another 30 minutes. Yum! Bananas and chocolate! Yummy!
All done, and that was super easy.
I love this banana chocolate bite!
We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing after-school snack recipes with us. See you all next time.